All right, virtual learners, I'm going to be showing you guys a strategy that you can use today for subtraction facts up to 20, where your whole is a number that is greater than 10. So if your whole is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and you're going to be taking away a part away from it, this is a strategy that you can use, especially if the part that you're taking away is greater than your digit in the ones place. So 6 is greater than 4. So this strategy will be very helpful for that. I'm going to start in my virtual manipulatives to show you exactly how I would do this in school. So the same problem, 14 minus 6, if we were in school, we would use our two-sided counters and we would build our whole, which is 14. I can see over here that this is 14 because I have a group of 10 here, and then I have a group of 4, and I know that 10 and 4 is 14. And I'm even going to show how I made that 14 because I'm going to be using this number bond to do this take from 10 strategy. So I can see from my model that 14 is the same as 10 and 4. And so now the next thing that I need to do is I need to think about taking 6 away from 14. Now I know that in my ones, I only have 4 ones. I don't have enough ones here to take away 6. I would have to take part of the 6 away from my 10. But did you know that I can also just take 6 out of this 10? And then add the remaining parts back together? So that would look like this. If we were in the classroom, we would show that by flipping 6 of the counters to the other side. So when we flip 6 to the red side, these red ones are going to represent the counters that we're taking away. So when I took away those 6 from the 10, that left me with 4 still on the 10. You guys see that? And that makes sense because 6 and 4 make 10. Now I'm also left with the 4 on the ones. So if I take the 4 that are left on the 10 and I combine that, oops, wrong pen, sorry, and I combined that with the 4 ones that are left. So I'm putting these yellow ones that were left on the 10 with these yellow ones that were left on the ones. I know 4 and 4 together is 8. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So now let me take you over to the practice so you can see how it's a lot alike but a tiny bit different from what we just did. All right, so on these slides, you can't flip your counters over. So what we're going to be doing instead is we're going to be using this X tool to show the ones that we're taking away. So if I'm trying to do 14 minus 6, my whole is 14. And remember, I'm going to think of 14, breaking it up to match my model, 10 and 4. So 10 and 4 makes 14. And I'm trying to take away 6. I cannot easily take away 6 from my ones here, so I'm going to take from 10. And how many am I going to take from 10? I'm going to take 6. So, hold on. So I've already taken away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so how many did I take away from my 10, guys? I took away 6. How much did that leave on the 10? That left me with 4. And when I take the 4 that are left on the 10 and I combine that 4 with the 4 that were remaining in the ones, 4 and 4 together would leave me with 8 yellow counters. So that's how you can use take from the 10 to help you with facts like this. So you guys have some slides to practice. You can practice this strategy on your own. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher or reach out to Miss Estepa. Thanks, guys.